Hey Full Lifers, super excited to come to you live. Real quick, I wanted to share with you, I just got one of my pocket journals in and I wanted to reveal that to you live. So let's see how it looks. All right, here we go. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. You can journal anywhere you go. You can have it in your pocket, you can have it in your purse, in your backpack. Now there's no reason why you can't journal. So just wanted to come to you live with this cute little pocket journal that we have available. So if you are interested, you can click the link and check them out. Also, just wanted to share with you that I'm super excited that one of my Healing Insights is shared in a new feature article. Special thanks to myinnercreative.com. So if you check out the post that I just added a few minutes ago, it's about 5 brilliant ways how to get kids journaling. So check it out and I will talk to you soon. I hope you will get your Live Your Full Life pocket journal so that way you can start making your thoughts become a reality. And again, it has the little logo inside. All right, talk to you soon. Thanks so much. Until I see you, honor your body, mind, soul, and spirit. Bye.